Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this kind of thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So it's actually easy. So first of all, you have to open Photoshop and create a new file and choose 180p. Choose to choose 180p, you have to go to film and video and choose this HDTV 180p and create the file. Then you're gonna import your background images first. So I have downloaded some images. You can download anything you want in the internet. So first of all, I'm gonna drag and drop this space photo like this, and I'm gonna adjust it as I want, like this. So it's like pixelated here. I don't need that much quality pictures for this background. For that, I'm gonna do some adjustments. Go to filter, blur, and choose radial blur, and I'm gonna keep the amount 5, and as you can see it will turn like this. And I'm gonna add my second background here, this lining background. It's very cool, you know. So to remove this black color background, I'm going to choose the layer and go to this thing and choose it like screen. As you can see, the black background is removed. Now I'm going to do some adjustment for this. Go to images, adjustment, and brightness and contrast, and you can play with these things as you want. Adjust some contrast, and I'm gonna again do filter, blur, radial blur, and amount 5. Like this, you can get a cool background. So after that, I'm gonna import my character. You can choose any character and remove the background and adjust it like this. I'm gonna do some rotatings like this, and character is ready. So after that, if you wanna add some text here, I'm gonna add first the. So as you can see, we can adjust the size from this for this text. I'm gonna choose it and select the color to white, and after that I'm gonna go to the layer options, layer styles, and add a drop shadow. Drop shadow, you can copy my settings like opacity 57, distance 10, spread 8, and size 14. And after that, I'm gonna add the inner glow here. Inner glow, you can choose it blend mode overlay and opacity 90. And as I told earlier, you can copy my settings. And I'm gonna add a gradient overlay and choose the color like grays. Go to grays and adjust it as you want, and looks cool. And after all, we're gonna add some stroke to make it look cool. I'm gonna make it black and stroke size 10 is okay. So drop shadows, okay, looks cool. Add shadows, blend mode to normal, opacity like 90, distance like this, size like this. Okay, it's done. So I'm gonna add another text like hold alt and duplicate this like this, and I'm gonna make it best. Then I'm gonna add another text, hold all like this, thumbnail. So first of all, I'm gonna adjust layer style for this text, and let's go to gradient overlay, gradients. Choose like, first of all, choose basics and this, and go adjust your colors like this. I'm gonna add a yellow here, little bit of yellow here, and for this black I'm gonna add orange to make it look like gold like this. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust this text like this. Choose you can organize here, choose these all things and little bit of rotation, and like place like here. So you don't need to copy exact same things I do, like, So let's group these things. I press control group and text because it's so easy. So I will choose like my character here and gonna adjust some of text here. So first of all, I'm gonna group a shadow, like it's okay, same setting as text. It's press okay. So it's look cool. So after all, I'm gonna add Photoshop icon because uh, you can add any icon you want. It means for your thumbnail you can create it. So I'm gonna make it look bigger and choose the magic erase tool and erase all these unnecessary parts. Okay, control D. Adjust this like he, like we have enough space for here. Like I'm gonna adjust this here, a little bit of rotation like this, and I'm gonna add a shadow for the logo. Oh, drop a shadow. I'm gonna add a stroke, like for for the stroke I'm gonna add a white color stroke because it's matching for the I'm gonna remove the shadow, and actually outer glow will looks cool because opacity increase, spread increase. Yep, it's look cool and match for the background. So after all, I'm gonna do some adjustment image, go to adjustments and brightness contrast, like this. Okay, so this is the thumbnail that you can get after some edits. It means it's actually easy. Like you can edit some game with thumbnails. Actually, I have edited these kind of things you can see in my YouTube channel. So after all, you can go to file, normal thing, file, export, quick export PNG or export as. So this is it, guys. Subscribe, like, and share. Hope that it will be easy for you to make a thumbnail. So thank you.